teaching and research. AI has been around for quite some time. I hope everyone has heard about the term AI. So let's not waste some time. Let's dive in and let me share the screen with you. Okay, I'll be presenting the screen, right? Okay, I hope my screen is visible and my voice is clear.
Ma'am, you have to just change it to a full screen mode, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I will. I will.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay. Is it visible? My PPT is visible, I think.
Yes,
Now
ma'am,
it's
it's okay.
visible. Okay, fine. So let's go to the key terms first. Artificial intelligence. Now, what is it? It is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines that are capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. Means it is like teaching computers to think and learn like humans, as we do learn from our experiences or knowledge to solve problems. Well, AI helps computers to do something similar. It's like teaching AI, like studying human brain to understand and make decisions. Say, for example, imagine your computer being really smart, not just to do the things what you tell it, but by actually understanding what you mean. So let's explore the key terms first. What is AI? So here I have jotted down the official definition from the Oxford English Dictionary, uh, that AI is the field of study concerned with the capacity of computers or other machines to exhibit or simulate intelligent behavior. The software used to perform tasks or produce output previously thought to require human intelligence. Now, what do you mean by that? In simple words, AI does this by combining computer science with robust database. It is trained to mirror human-like intelligence to solve day-to-day problems. Now, let's comprehend what is generative AI. So we'll be exploring these terms in our later session. So let us understand what is generative AI. So Gen AI is a type of AI that uses neural networks to create new content. Like it can generate text, images, videos, or other type of data. How it works? Gen AI models learn from the patterns and structures in the existing data. So these models use the learned patterns to generate new content based on your input, or Gen AI can refine the output to match the intended result or fix errors. So what it can do, it can automate routine tasks like writing content or responding to mails. Can help improve communication by summarizing complex information. Gen AI can collaborate with humans by providing answers to questions that are based on user prompts. So the examples, as you know, are Chat GPT, that uses GPT based prompts to write blogs or contents, poetry, stories, your even YouTube scripts or reels on social media platforms. It can generate music and even code. So another example of generative AI is Stable Diffusion, which actually generates photorealistic images based on the text input. Everyone is aware of Gemini AI by Google. It is a text-to-text generative AI interface that answers your questions like that. And GitHub Copilot helps software developers code programs and applications. So, friends, so far, if AI sounds familiar, please type AI in the chat box. Please type AI in the chat box. If this sounds familiar so far, type chat box. Type in the chat box AI. so that I know that you are on the same pace. Okay, good. Now, let's talk about LLMs. So, large language models or LLMs are a key component of generative AI. These LLMs are used for natural language processing tasks such as generating text or translating or summarizing. So, they are actually deep learning models that are trained on large amounts of data. LLMs means large amounts of data. They use typical type of machine learning called deep learning. Okay, so LLMs are basically trained on vast amounts of textual data such as the internet. Okay, so LLMs are also capable of unsupervised training. What is meant by unsupervised training? They learn to understand basic grammar, language, and knowledge and translation and all that. What LLMs can do, they can recognize and generate text, interpret human language, understand how words, characters, sentences work together, and they can also analyze unstructured data. So these basically generate new content such as text, images, music, software, code, like that. So with that being said, let us understand LLMs means chat GPT, and these are the examples: NLP, Google SEO, Google Bard, which is now Google Gemini. These are the example. Um, Now, with that being said, let's talk about some applications of AI. You might have seen or experienced how easily AI can convert text into speech, to images, to videos. AI can beat world champions in games like chess. Or so far, AI are just about aren't just about robots. It is it can uh, do many things. It is like a polyglot which can speak or translate many languages in real time. It is used in space exploration like Chandrayaan, Aditya L1, like that. It is useful in healthcare, medicines, banking and finance, crypto and blockchain, and so on. So these are some of the applications of AI. Have you ever heard of self-driving cars, futuristic vehicles? These use AI to navigate or make decisions on roads. So, these are some of the applications, but we will be today talking about the applications of AI in research and development activities. Okay, so finding relevant research papers, or paraphrasing, or writing the with correct grammars, or giving references and citations and all, checking plagiarism. So, these are some of the tools which I will be sharing today. So, friends, if you're getting acquainted with AI so far, so please type AI in the chat box. Okay, please type AI in the chat box so that it is good that good to know about your energy and that we are on the same page. Please type chat box. Okay. See, friends, I am Professor Ashima Verghese, and I'm on a mission to train 10,000 educators, researchers, and students with latest technological trends as skilled as possible. As skilled as possible, as soon as possible, as skilled as possible. So let's interact with these AI tools. Let's delve into some free AI tools one by one. Okay. I'll be sharing my screen with live examples, but let's delve into these AI tools now. For this session, I have chosen Notebook LM. This is the AI tool which is powered by Google Labs. Another one is Perplexity.ai, a search engine with more powerful capabilities, and Cloud AI, which excels at natural language processing and its multi-model. Another tools which are free to use right now. Currently, we can use chat with PDF for researchers. It is very beneficial for literature review. And another very beautiful tool is Julius.ai, which is actually analyzing your data and giving you graphical visualization. And the last one is Research Rabbit, with its capabilities of actually Research Rabbit is citation based literature mapping tool. It is available online. So first thing first, we will be exploring Notebook LM. So let me, okay. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, fine. Notebook LM. This is an experimental product of Google Labs. See, this is focused on improving how we interact with notes and documents. It uses AI to help users or teachers, educators to extract, summarize, and work with the content more efficiently. So you can take the notes and all. This is an exciting tool. Uh, I find it very exciting. Why? Because Notebook LM is a LLM model that's built on top of your own data. Means this is not extracting data from anywhere, but on top of your data, on giving the input, you will be getting the outputs on various forms. Like if you feed this with the data that you have copied, or it could be any type of source, like a Word document or PDFs or slides or website links, or say YouTube links. It could be even code also. So this AI tool is designed to make your data analysis easier and faster. Now you can interact with this data like a chatbot or Gemini or Chat GPT. Here I guess, hello, here I guess everyone knows about Chat GPT. At least you have experienced about Chat GPT. ChatGPT is around for quite some time, and it's been in use for many purposes. So if you know about ChatGPT, please type GPT in chat box. Why I'm making you to write something in the chat box? Because I want your whole attention. Your focus should be here, because we are learning the tools which are of very much benefit to you around the clock, as a teacher, as a educator, or as a researcher or student. So, and to get the energy from you, just I'm making you write GPT in the chat box. Okay, anyone knows about the full form of GPT? What's the full form of GPT? Anyone? I don't know if you can unmute and tell about this thing.
Yes, ma'am, they can unmute themselves.
Okay, okay. So if anyone wants to give the full form, it's okay. Otherwise, I will only share. You can unmute at the end if you have any doubts, or if you have any queries. We'll check that at the end of the session. GPT stands for chat is normal chat as we chat amongst ourselves. The GPT stands for generative pre-trained transformer, that is being trained beforehand. So we all know how chat GPT has revolutionized idea generation or paraphrasing, content writing, and everything. But we'll not be discussing about Chat GPT right now, because GPT 4.0 is paid one, not free. Uh, as for now, means in today's session, I wish to discuss and share some free options for you. So let us discuss about some free options. So let's get back to the features of Notebook LM. As I told you that this is powered by Google. There are certain wonderful features. So we are going to explore the features of Notebook LM. You can call it as an assistant. how to, you can use it to upload documents, upload your data, and add some sources, and start asking questions. This is free of cost, and this is your powerful virtual assistant rooted in the information you can trust. Okay, so either you can create or edit your own notes like marketing plans and meetings transcripts or course reading or research notes, sales documents, etc. You can use it as an powerful tool. Now, the second good feature is AI chat interface. Means you can actually you can feed it with some data. Like if you are a student or a professor or even a stock analyst that needs to collate a bunch of data. So this tool allows you to interact with your data in new and interesting ways using natural language. So this is a wonderful tool. This is the power of AI. It gives you the quick summarization and note taking as well. So here for manual note creation, see, um, you can use this for taking your own notes, like notebook. LM is actually designed for that. It is designed to streamline note taking and analysis process. Another feature is that user can also upload audio files to get the transcripts. If you have some audio, you can also do that to understand a summary of what is being discussed in the audio. So this is a very unique feature. And another unique feature which is very much talked about nowadays, that it creates a podcast depending on your data. It creates something a very nice podcast with voiceovers in male and female voices. We'll be actually exploring that soon. Just I'm sharing the PPT, but we'll be sharing the actual site. So as okay, I'll be sharing that. So as you sign in, the interface will look like this with a welcome message to create new notebooks. And earlier ones are, earlier ones which I have created are displayed below in grid format or list format. And most recent ones are actually displayed above. And here you can see, you can rename it, and you can actually add some sources. There are different sources which you can add. And here it can be actually displayed, it is displayed date wise. And you can anytime edit this, and you can access it. So these are very much good resources which we can add. Another feature of notebook LM is upload sources. See, here you can drag and drop or choose files to upload from your PC, or even you can copy some text from anywhere, from Google or from any part, and then you can paste it also Google Docs. And in addition to uploading files, there are some resources which you can add from your, here you can add from your Google Drive, or Google Docs can also be added, Google Slides can also be added. And the wonderful part is that you can also add some links, some website links or some YouTube links also you can add, and you can copy paste that link. And it actually allows you to add up to 50 external sources. So for one content of your interest, you can add up to 50 external sources. And this is a very amazing tool, because other tools are not allowing so much sources to be added. So besides answering your questions, it can summarize data, create guides or notes. So if you want to compress 50 pages of documents down to just 2 or 3, it will do that. So this is a wonderful tool. And here, this is another interface where you can add sources. See, on the left hand side, there is a button to plus button to add sources. So I have added some of the sources of PDFs because I needed some literature review summary out of that. So depending on all these sources, it will generate a summary. And actually Here you can see the 6 sources which I have added. You can add note or audio review or document or whatever, and depending on that, it is generating some questions by itself. It will generate some questions by itself. So uh, it is actually giving us some ideas to form study guide or some FAQs or briefing documents or timelines. So this is a very good mm, feature of Notebook LM. And because I've been using Notebook LM for quite a some time. So I've uploaded PDFs and generated some quizzes, practical tests that already exist as an example of Notebook LM in action. So let's try another thing. Now, this one is a game changer for many of us. So listen carefully. Here, in this slide, what I've explained is that I've added some sources to the left, pasted some text and some document. And here you can see the summary of whatever I've added, and it has generated an audio file. This is the game changer actually. Instead of storing some information like that, you can very well add this feature of podcast. So here with these two hosts, it has created the podcast of more than 6 minutes, and you can actually uh, download this to your PC and use it somewhere else as well. Because here, the beautiful thing is that it supports two host formats where one person is asking questions. The person is host and another person is an expert answering those questions. So male and female voiceover is done brilliantly by this tool. We'll be just exploring that. It is a fun way and interesting way to listen to two guys effectively talking on about your data. So this is a very good tool. What I will do, I will dive in to the link currently. Notebook LM is in experimental phase, so there is no pricing yet. So let's dive in. I will be sharing that screen. Just wait. Okay, just wait. Now, when you go to Google, when you are actually at the prompt, Google prompt or Google Chrome, it both supports well. Google works best for this. Just follow the prompts to actually access this experimental tool. To type here, I hope my screen is visible. The
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
is okay, fine. So just type in notebooklm.google.com. I'll be sharing the links as well. If you want, I will be sharing the links as well. But here you can actually go to Google Chrome and type notebooklm dot google.com. So the first link which you get is the link which you can explore. So once it is actually approved, so you can start uploading the document. See, this is the interface which I've been talking in the slide. So here are my notebooks. You can see there I have created certain notebooks with some are titled, some are not, and this one is the one I was talking about, one Pomodoro. So here you can see that two of the sources I've been adding, and this is the uh, uh, script which it has generated. And here there are certain techniques, Pomodoro technique. So if someone if I think everyone knows about this Pomodoro technique, I don't know. Pomodoro technique is a very good technique of time management actually. It is the time management technique, the method in which you do focused work during 25 minutes intervals, known as Pomodoros. and take 5 minutes break. So when I did that, I have created to the right hand side, you can see I have created some audio. So here in this button, you can go through the descriptions of the audio format, how it is going to be useful for you. And actually, I've already created this audio to save time, so I'll be loading the conversation. Just wait for a few seconds, and here the conversation is getting loaded. Okay, so I'll just allow that. I I will play that. Let's see how it is. Are you able to hear that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. But you can try this, because I think you may not be able to hear, but this audio is created actually. We can also add some sources if you want. You can go to YouTube links and all. You can do that. And another feature of this is Notebook LM is I have been taking some literature reviews. Or otherwise, what I will do, I'll create a new one for you to understand. See, here are some sources which we can add. So I have actually differentiated some sources for you. Let me check. See, here are some of the sources, like AI in HRM. So this is an elsewhere paper. This is a PDF of elsewhere paper. Elsewhere is a vertical of Scopus, and this stands for very good Q1 journal. So this is a recent paper of 2024 from Science Direct. So it is titled as a cluster-based human resource analytics for predicting employee turnover using optimized artificial neural networks and data augmentation. So we can take this paper. It contains 17 pages. One paper is this. Another paper is of Science Direct. It is again from elsewhere, and it is titled as AI in HRM. Case study analysis, preliminary research. Okay, and we will be adding these three papers actually. We will be adding these. Third paper is also from elsewhere. I have chosen for you from International Journal of Information Management Data Insights. So this is actually the adoption of artificial intelligence in human resource management practice. So what we will be doing, we will be actually taking these three papers and inputting this as the uploading this as the sources. Just wait. We Here I have actually identified these three sources. So we can add one. Uh, you can add all at a time, or you can go one by one. So I've chosen these three elsewhere papers which we have discussed, and I have uploaded. See, when I say I have uploaded, that means three papers are getting uploaded. You can see, check at the left hand side. So here, when I say that it has added the sources, and it is giving me the some of the insights like AI impact on human resource management practices. Okay, so what I will do, what I will do, I will start. Okay, depending on this, I will say. Uh, I'll just type. I'll copy this, and I will say summarize this in bullet points. Suppose I want only the bullet points out of this, so I can do that. Or otherwise, here you can see it is suggesting some of the questions. How does AI interact with HRMs and all that? So we can always get the study guide notes or briefing documents or FAQs, and students can also get some multiple choice questions so that they can lead ahead the class, because this will be summarizing all the resources. It contains 50 resources. So let us see how it is generating. So depending on my query, it is generating. So this is very good tool. We can always add different resources like Let it generate first. Okay. So I have, okay. See, according to bullet points only, it has generated because I have added that in the prompt. I have added that. So here you can see efficiency and effectiveness, recruitment, and here if you hover over this, like number one, number two, if you hover over this, this will be the insight from the paper, which is actually being accessed. So this is the first line, this is the second para, second page, like that. So you will be getting the link from where this has been chosen. So this is a very good thing. Another thing which we can do is we can also add some, say, Google, say YouTube link, sorry, YouTube link. So if I type AI and HRM, so here AI for HR, generative AI for HR, this is the Google, sorry, a YouTube video which I want to add. So if I play this, okay, if I play this and if I share this, you can actually copy this link. You can actually copy this type of link, and then you can paste it here in our this thing. Just wait. Where are we? In go here. So you can actually add some source here. When I say we can add some source, we can add some YouTube link. So you can paste the URL of YouTube link over here. Okay, and then you can go with this because we have added three sources. So let us insert one YouTube link. So we will be inserting that, and see, this YouTube link is being added. So depending on this, there are four sources now. So you can always generate some ideation, or so your notes, teachers, you can take some notes from this, or the crux of these two, four papers, or researchers, you can go ahead with literature review, like that. And there's a tool, this tool is really helpful for summarizing or getting the crux out of this. This is a search and summarization tool. So this creates quick summaries. Okay, and besides that, AI, sorry, Notebook LM allows the note taking apps, like it is similar to that. Notebook LM, like Google Keep or Notion or Obsidian, this is similar to that, but teachers can create or organize notes independently with this strategy. Okay, and you can provide flexibility to jot down your own thoughts or ideas or important information. This features works alongside the document, or because it is actually AI enhanced document. So students, you can upload your learning material and use Notebook LM as your tutor, and it is best for content creators because you can upload your research content material and generate some good ideas out of that. And with large language model, you can generate YouTube scripts or blog posts or articles, or anything which is good to go to streamline the process. And another good thing about Notebook LM is that it can share, it can create this thing. See, you can always go to the last one, or the ones which you have done before, and you can edit those as well. So like I have done this becoming a butter you, this tool. So this was created long ago, but what I can do, I can collaborate this as well, because Notebook LM, I can share notebooks. See, if I created a notebook, I can share this with my friends or colleagues, or means I can collaborate with my friends to work together with AI support right inside the tool. So you can co-create, you can share insights and get the things effectively done. So this Notebook LM is just like sharing files on Google Drive. This is good for brainstorming or uploading the projects. Students can upload the projects to generate discussion points and fresh ideas collaboratively, and helpful in meeting prep as well. Okay, so as friends, if you find this tool awesome, so please type NBLM in the chat box so that I can know that we are on the same page and we have the same energy. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Here, friends, here one disclaimer I wish to give you. One disclaimer I wish to give you, uh, that AI tools will help you to do the hard work easier, faster, and in a better way. But remember that these tools are just your assistant and not the substitute. These are not your substitute. You need to do the work yourself. This will be just helping you. So use them wisely. Okay. So let's get back to the PPT where we have led. Okay. Now next tool in the go is Perplexity. Okay, perplexity.ai. See here, I have shared the link as well. This is an amazing tool by Indian CEO Aravind Srinivas. Okay, this is created by Indian CEO. Perplexity.ai is incredibly user friendly and works just like a search engine like Google, but it has more capability. So Perplexity AI is actually, it can be used for answering questions ranging from basic facts to complex queries, and creating codes or up to date information we can get. So Perplexity AI, as I told you, is an advanced search engine that works on real-time data. Unlike traditional search engine, what is traditional search engine? Like Google is a search engine, but unlike that, it pulls information from various sources and provides a comprehensive summary. And Perplexity AI utilizes advanced natural language processing algorithms and machine learning models to understand and process user queries. Actually, it employs a combination of neural networks, data passing, and techniques. We will be exploring that as well. Another good feature is additionally it allows in-depth topic exploration with its co-pilot feature. Organizes your research with collections and facilitates data interaction and web searches within the platform. So these are the good things about Perplexity AI. So let's discuss about the functions of Perplexity. There are many functions, but the functions which I like the most is the focus functionality. Actually, it is a feature that lets user specify the content or domain for their search queries. So we'll be focusing on that as well with the live link. And because by selecting a particular focus, you can narrow down the search result to be more relevant to your specific needs, whether it is academics or content creation or health and management or business or marketing, whatever you want to focus on of your interest. Another function is discover function. See, in discover, you can actually discover the current trending topics of your interest to customize your experience. Okay, we will be exploring that as well. Another one is spaces. So spaces means you can create your own space and upload documents and give it some command, and you can add resources. Another one which I like the most is the library one. See, library is actually for your information, your content which you have already saved in this, and you can search your threads Okay, and pro function is a very good function in Perplexity AI. Will be dealing with that as well. Pro function is for pro users. This is a paid one, but still we can actually go through that. Perplexity Enterprise, Perplexity Store, Block, Careers, like that. Okay, this is a knowledgeable assistant. Okay, so when I say Perplexity, see here, I have uploaded a screenshot here to the left hand side. When you log in, um, this will get you to new thread or home, discover spaces, library that I just told you. And here you can log in with your Google account or Gmail ID. These are free, and this is the focus one which I want to discuss with you. You can attach some resources and the pro one. Here also you are required to give some prompt what you want to know. You can give the prompt, and then you can actually get the results as well. And here downside, you can see there are certain upcoming tech conference, and these are actually some popular trending things which is happening all over the world. So it actually gives you certain um, ideas or trending topics to search for. Okay, so the most popular travel trend, like that. So Perplexity will be just opening that. To get started, simply open Perplexity AI website. What I will do, I will be doing. See, this is the discover feature for you, and you can discover from many things. Actually, select the topics of your interest and customize your discover. And this is the spaces one. You can create the space, means you can add your own space into it and upload files, set AI instructions to convert complex materials into easy to understand formats, and collaborate with others as well in group. You can share this as a knowledge database here. This is a very good thing. And here you are supposed to have this library function, which actually helps you to search your previous data or add some data. So what I will be doing, I will be taking you to this perplexity.ai website, and then we will be exploring the same. So let me minimize this. Okay. See here. I hope my screen is visible till now.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible
Okay,
now.
fine. Okay, good. So here on Google Chrome, this works the best. Uh, Type Perplexity AI. If you search that, you will be getting the first link of Perplexity. You can get this logo as well, perplexity.ai. Mind the spelling, perplexity.ai. I'll be sharing the link in the chat. You can explore this later as well, because these are free tools. You can access that just by signing up with Google Gmail account. Okay, but try to concentrate here first. Try to understand. So this is the screen which I have shared in the PPT as well. So here is the screen, and it is saying what do you want to know. So these are the prompts which you can type anything. You can focus. This is the functionality which I wanted to share with you, because as you set your focus, these are the things which of your interest. Actually, it is positioned as an alternative to traditional search engines like Google. Here, what is the use of focus means, if say healthcare medical professionals, you can they can focus their searches on medical journals or clinical trials or treatment guidance. So this is useful for them. Okay, to get updated, to stay updated with their latest medical research and improving patient care. But if someone is interested in business and market analysis, so professional can use this focus functionality to gather market data for financial reports, industry trends, like that. So depending on your interest, this focus functionality is there. And see, as today it is giving different topics, trending topics like fastest growing exercise trend in 2025, or what is this, breathwork benefits technique, and coolest logo, whatever. So these are the things which is suggested by Perplexity. But you can attach files and go for the pro function as well. And here is the discover function, which I told you that you are prompted to discover the topic of your interest. Here it is providing with some news, Microsoft OpenAI cloud deal changes, whatever. And here are the top trending news of tech and science, finance, arts and culture, sports. So whatever is interesting to you, you can select the topic of your interest and customize your experience. So if you go down, as also there are certain news or articles which you can select from. And this is the spaces. This feature actually adds up to my space, where I can upload files or set instructions and collaborate with others as well. So you can create the spaces. Here it is prompting you with some examples like perplexity support, or what would Buffett say, like that. So you can always create that space for you. Now in library, I will be exploring this. In library, there are certain threads or the previous works which we have done. So I have given this perplexity a prompt. I will be clicking on that. Let us explore. So here is the prompt which I have given. Compare mutual funds on performance, NAV, risk and rewards, returns, pros and cons for an informed investment decision in India. So depending on my query, here it is prompting me to edit query, but I will not be editing that. You can explore that. This is free of cost, friends. Okay, but depending on my query, what it is doing, it is giving me some resources here itself in the platform itself. Here it is giving me from money control or access bank, or some of the links, or some of the resources it is giving me. And here also it is actually giving me some answer. But let me tell you first about this. Depending on my query, how the answer goes: comparison of mutual funds in India. So this is the description: performance, historic returns, and net asset value, understanding that. And see how beautifully it has given. The things which I have asked, it has given me all the things with this thing, with the links or sources from where it has taken these things. And see how beautifully this has given me the response, pros and cons. This is a very beautiful table which it has prepared for me. I haven't asked for any table. See, you can explore this table. You can explore this table, how beautifully it has given the font name, pros and cons, like fund name like ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund, or Franklin India Blue Chip Fund, or SBI Blue Chip Fund, and UTI Large Cap. So pros and cons it has given me beautifully. I can also go through the conclusion, and again it is also giving me some of the comparison, large cap funds, like that. It is also prompting me with some different things. Summary table is also there, and conclusion is also there, and relating to my topic, it is also giving me some of the queries which I can ask, which I am actually getting benefited, because I forget to ask about investing in large cap funds, or how do we compare, like that. So if I click on that, say, are there any tax benefits to investing in large cap funds? So if I click on that, so it will be it has given me a suggestion for this query, and then it will be asking, it will be answering me this as well. Okay, so these are certain tools which will be which are actually beneficial. Now, let us move to Cloud AI. Cloud AI is also a very good tool. We'll be just going to the site where Cloud AI is actually being. I have opened this for you. So you can actually go to this Cloud AI website. Okay, and it is prompting me what I can do for you. Here you can see Cloud AI 3.5 Haiku. It has changed actually. It has changed. Why? Because yesterday only I was preparing PPT, so I actually I have gone through this. So this was actually Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Uh, Okay, fine. This is mentioning that temporarily switch to Cloud Haiku. Haiku is Pro, friends. Actually, it is a premium version of Cloud. For and concise responses. Okay, due to high demand, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet is temporarily unavailable for free plan. So, friends, you need to actually hurry up with this, because Haiku and this Opus is a premium plan, and Sonnet is a free plan. I will be just explaining how it works. It excels at natural language processing, and it is multi-modal, developed by research team from uh, Anthropic. Here also it accepts text, audios, and visual inputs, and it can answer the queries as well, and you can explore the uh, analytic tool. This is a new tool. You can upload your CSVs for Cloud to analyze quantitative or data visualization and all. You can do that. And this is the thing that you can write a memo or minutes of meeting, or you can change the tone of your style. Here, when I say you can change the tone, just click on this drop down menu. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Here you can see on the drop down menu, you can check what response you want, like normal, concise, explanatory, formal, or whatever style you write. Researchers, you can get explanatory style or concise style for your literature review. So, what I will do, I will not be asking the question like a common one. What I will be doing, I will be attaching some. File, and let it explain that to me. Let it explain. Let me check whether I have that. Okay, I have this tax tables of 2024, this file. I will be uploading this file. If you want, I can give you the file. Let me just share the file, this image png file. I hope my screen is visible. This is not visible. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's good.
2024 tax brackets, single and married. So these are some of the data which I have taken from Google itself. These are certain percentage, but what I will be doing in this thing, in our cloud, this thing that I will be doing, I will be saying to cloud, uh, please explain the image in brief. Okay. So when I enter this, see, depending on the image, how beautifully this this has given me the answer. The image shows 2024 tax bracket for single and married filing jointly, tax status is in United States. See how beautifully it is given me with percentage and the amount and as well, and many things it has given. So you can also go for that. Cloud AI is actually a very good tool from Google's Gemini. Actually, uh, this is the tool Their important feature is that it is trained to be safe and accurate and secure you to help to do your best. So I love this tool because it is free. It was free. Then you can check this Cloud 3.1 Sonnet. Okay, so these are the things. And the last one which I wanted to show, I don't know what is the time. Okay, we have 5 minutes left, but I will be taking you to another site of chat with PDF. Chat with PDF. Actually, I wanted to show this as well. So, cloud and these are the tools for researchers. Actually, for literature review, you can get for typeset.io or just like space. So these are the tools for scientific PDF. It helps you to find relevant literatures. Okay, so it gives the best of gist of papers, like summary of research papers in 2 3 bullet points, size space and this. And Quilbert also, it paraphrases and summarizes the text. And because researchers need to actually get some paraphrasing done with good grammar, so you can use Quillbot. Pro version is paid, but still you can use Quillbot for 125 words, and this will be converting your or paraphrasing your text. Similar is the one for PaperPal. It will give AI assistant proofreading, and it's going to do in do sentence enhancement tool as well. So another one is this one, chat with with pdf.ai. See, here is the link, chat with pdf.ai. So when I say this, I'll be explaining this as well. Chat, so in Google, go to Google and type chat with pdf.ai. So friends, here you will be getting the top link here, but don't go for this. This is a paid one. I am talking about this one. This is powered by Paper Guide. Okay, so this is my favorite one. I often use this, and it is free of cost till now, so you can jump in and join millions of researchers, professionals to answer your question and understand research. Okay, so just type chat with pdf.ai, and I'll be exploring this tool here. This is powered, as I said, this is powered by PaperPal, and here it is asking me to upload the documents like previous. So you can upload 3 documents. So this is actually limited. Free version is limited, but you can go for AI search, literature reviews, and all. Here you have this thing home, and just I'm going to go for the references. If I go for the references, here you can upload your references from docs or PDF which you have downloaded, import BibTeX or RIS format for this process of citation. So it may ask for BibTeX or RIS file, or you can import from Zotero or Mendeley and actually add as well. Okay, now when I say documents, okay, history. Now, when I say this chat, just wait. Okay. So these are actually very good ones, which are paid ones, which are actually very helpful. You can always drag and drop the files. I will just do one for only one. I will do. See here. AI in Algo Finance. This is the one which I want to do. So what I will do, I will just upload that file, proceed, and here what is happening? Proceed. Okay, so I can do that. Here in the on the left hand side, you can see the my previous works. See, you can see the previous works which I have added just one, AI algo. This is by Research Square and design of enterprise financial performance prediction model based on AI algorithm. So when I have added that file, so I want the explanation about that file. So what this paper is being displayed here. this paper has been displayed, and it is actually saved here on the left hand side, so you can access later as well. So here paper guide is prompting me with some questions. I can always ask questions here, but it is prompting me what is the focus of this research paper and significance of ye. What I can do, I can ask the question to please summarize summarize or give objectives or the what I can do, or summarize or give unique uniqueness sorry uniqueness of this paper, uniqueness and gaps of this paper, of the paper. Okay, so what depending on my prompt, it will be generating the answer. So this is a very good tool. This is free till now. Please go and search for yourself. See, it has given the answer in within seconds. It has given the answer to my queries: unique contribution, summary of the paper, unique contributions, as well as the gaps which it has identified. So in this you can actually add your own touch to this. Okay, so this is the one for researchers to explore scientific papers, academic articles, books, and information. And for students also, it is useful to study for exam, get help with homework, or answer multiple choice questions faster than your classmates. So, but it allows only 10 PDF, I guess, at a time. But one tip I want to give you all, if such tools which require some credits, paid ones are not needed, because for free credits or free points or free uploads, what you can do is you can actually sign up with different email IDs to use that. Okay, so this is the good thing which you can explore, because we cannot go for paid ones, because it costs dollars and all to get the things. So better way, you can end up with your or sign up with your own Google account, different Gmail IDs. Okay, ma'am. So this is the crux, and time is up, but I am left with one more tool. If you allow, I will be explaining that, or otherwise I'll be stopping here. Only one tool is left. So tell me what to do, or we can end. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I continue with one more tool, last tool?
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this is because I don't want you teachers, educators, researchers to miss out with this tool. This is actually a very good tool known as Julius AI. So recently I have been exploring this tool because this is a very unique tool for data analysis and interpretation. See, for summarizing, for literature review, you can find many tools, but Julius AI is the one and only one tool for your intelligent analyst, for interpreting, analyzing, and visualizing your data. And it visualizes complex data, and this is done in a very user friendly manner. See, it is not that tool which is actually asking you to be a scientist or a statistician. So what I mean to say, that it analyzes the data as your data, your information, and it will be interpreting with the result, like SPSS we have used, or many other statistical tools which we are using, like ANOVA for correlation regression, multiple linear regression, or for conjoint or correspondence analysis, or structured equation modeling, like that, bibliographic analysis. So what I mean to say, this tool is a very good tool, and it is a brainchild of Rahul Sonwalkar. and esteem. So I want you to know that Indians are everywhere and they are developing these tools. We are actually depending on the tools from abroad, but here Indians are way far better to give you this type of tools. This is a very unique tool. So here is the interface of Julius AI, and you can analyze the data. I will be sharing that just in a moment. Just for 5 minutes, I'll be explaining this. And here are the features that you can generate visualizations actually, and you can make this data analysis better. So Julius AI can generate various type of charts and graphs to help you understand your data visually. So here also you can ask questions or specific requests or calculations or comparisons or correlation like statistical test, and it clearly states that you can actually go for this. And for data formatting also, ensure that your data is organized in a clear table format and proper headers are employed for optimal analysis. And then you can make good focus on these matters, and then you can export the data. Okay. Exporting the results, you can download the files or first or a CSV file or Excel file, and then analyze the results in a suitable format. And it can also create captivating animations. So this tool is a unique one. I have not seen this type of tool. And for statistics also, it is being used nowadays. For researchers, it is like a boon for researchers. So all these features actually makes Julius AI a different and unique one AI tool. And these are some FAQs. You can always go through that. I will be just sharing the link for Julius AI and how it is being used. So in on Google prompt, we can type julius.ai and mind the spelling julius.ai, and in the first link itself you can get Julius AI. So you can log in with your own Google account. There are certain points how you can create Google account. To sign in with this website, upload your data. Here it is actually allowing you to analyze your data depending on uh, the file in CSV format or Excel format. So you can preview your data, check for the first rows of your data, ensure that it is loaded correctly, and ask questions. And then this will be answering in plain language, and interpreting the results as well. So not only analyzing but interpreting the results as well. Okay. See how these companies are using. Say Dropbox, Princeton University, Harvard University, BCG, every good company of world fame, Yale and all, these are using Julius AI. See, here you can get graphs and charts, insights, advanced analysis, problem solving, and reports as well. See, here you are getting the visualization. This is the bell-shaped chart. So you are getting the how your data is actually distributed, linear or bell-shaped or evenly distributed or not. So this is a visualization which helps you to understand the distributions. This is a very good feature. It is featured in Forbes. So please go and sign up for that, because this is a very, very good tool for I think for everyone, not only for researchers, but for all, also for professionals or from the business persons as well. So you can ask the questions. You can actually explore this tool, supercharge your analysis. And these are the frequently asked questions: how do I link the data? Can I analyze the spreadsheets? Or what is the privacy? See, privacy part is very good. You can actually link your data source. This is going to be very secure. And how you get the analyzation or visualization of data, and is it free? See, Here it is mentioned it's free by default to users up to 15 messages. See, uh, educators and researchers, you can go to for this, and at least 15 credits are there for free. You can utilize this, and if the limit is up, I have given you the tip that you can analyze this or use this with another Gmail ID. So there's a discount for students if this if you go for a plan paid one. So discount for students, professors and teachers right now, so they offer 50% discounts. Okay, discount is also there. So I want to say, what I wanted to tell you, that Julius AI is a very amazing tool. This you can actually if I talk about the benefits, it will take another hour, but just I will be telling you that it will make your data analysis easier. Even if you are not an expert, you are not an expert in AI or data analysis, it will simplify this for you, and it will automate tedious tasks, and helps you generate valuable insights for your research work. And it also it can handle huge and complex data sets. So it's not that it will just go with some easy Excel files. It's not that. And it is actually offering security. So by default, this is free for now. To go and explore the full version of this uh, Julius AI. So with that being said, I'm just closing my presentation for today's FDP, national level FDP, with a ending note, ending quote, which I find very wonderful. That this it says like that: we are what we repeatedly do. Therefore, excellence is not an act but a habit. Okay. So with that being said, thank you for all. And the